Okay, so we're going to call this one the 1517. 1570 if you use a credit card, but I paid it cash. And we always know if you're going to go buy something to stack, you need to take cash. So, yeah, I saved 60 cents on this burrito just by paying for it in cash. So this is my burrito stacking video, which is not going to be easy considering I am holding the camera. I'm the narrator. The burrito is the star of the show. And I'm the cameraman. I'm the cameraman and the narrator. There we go. Wow. Let's just hope we can tear that apart. Should have got a plate. Okay, here we go. Let's see if I can tear it. Oh, wow. That didn't go over too well. Yes, they did give me napkins. And we're stacking 2 of these. It's a double stack Goyo's carne molida burrito. Burrito de carne or carne molita. Con la Rayo sauces. Sí, es muy bonita. Mucho appetizing. Mucho appealing. Appealing. Wow. Oh. Carne molida all over the place. Toto. Carne molida all over the place. Let's do that again.